Hi everyone, this is a review of this Philips light bulb that is rated at 4.7 watt, is equal to 35 watt, and lumen is 380, and the type of the bulb is GU5.3. These 2 pins one. I recently bought this from B&Q, and I fully recommend this. B&Q for £1, and as you know that these energy saving LED light bulbs, they are very expensive. So this is Philips. Let me see if you can see this properly. Philips, 2 pins, is relatively, not very heavy, but is a bit the same weight as the normal ones. And we are going to open this and see what is inside. Why is just £1? And they had a lot of this in their pound basket light bulbs. So I just bought one for the purpose of this video, and as soon as I visit the B&Q again, I'm gonna purchase some more. They are useful and is relatively not bad in terms of the lumen. I'm going to connect this to the mains and see how it performs, and then we are going to open this. I am back. I just put it at an angle to avoid dazzling the camera, but it's really bright. And now we turn it on, and you see that is warm white, and it creates a little bit of heat, but not other light bulbs, and is bright, if you can see that. I have another light bulb at the top. Let me just point that down to see how it's going to whitewash this LED light. And yes, the other light bulb is directly above and is pointing down, and we turn the light on, and this is the result of the light bulb on the top, and this is here. If I push it back a bit, it's reasonable, but is, as you see, is really warm white. Especially when I put my hand in front of it, you can see the reflection of the light turns orange. So I'm going to open this and show it to you what is inside. So opening the unit was relatively easy. You just take a spudger and just push it into the gap, and then push it out from several points, and then easily it's coming out. Yes, like so, with minimal damage. So when we open it, it has 4 plastic lenses. And then we have the unit here. I have to most probably unsolder those parts, and there are 2 simple screws there. We take them out. I have to tell you that I took it out and there is nothing there to see because it's really sealed, really with silicon, some sort of anti-heat silicon products, and I just try to get it out from here. I take it out and come back. So here it is, it's just 4 LEDs with no resistors, nothing there, and lots of anti-heat compound underneath this that is visible from here. And those 2 prods there, or contacts, they just go in there, and it has to be soldered up. Let me just see if I can show you better. You see those 2? That is positive and negative, and they are in series, and I think we have a smoothing capacitor in there and some resistance under here, and is sealed with silicone material that is making it somehow water resistant as well. And if I wanted to, I tried to get it out, but unfortunately it's all over and it's very messy, and there is nothing much to see there. It's just sealing it there. And as this one is just a 12 volt, so it doesn't have any transformer to turn the mains into 12 volts and so on, so there must be just some sort of resistors and capacitors for smoothing, and just a smoothing capacitor and a resistance in there. So I'm gonna put it back, and not on video, obviously, it's going to take time. I just wanted to show you this 1 pound Philips from B&Q. Obviously, all those that they watch my videos, they know that I'm based in UK, London, and the B&Q here, they are offering this for £1, and you can go and find out more when you are visiting any B&Q. And the type of light bulb was a GU5.3. So this one was 4.7 watts, equal to 35 watts and 380 lumens. I hope you enjoyed my video. Until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.